Greece isn't just a destination, it's a living classroom, a place of connection, and the perfect setting for creating family memories that will be shared for generations. Whether through our group trip or your own adventure, I encourage you to experience the magic of Greece with your loved ones. The conversation sparked over shared meals, the wonder in your child's eyes when they connect ancient myths to real places, the laughter during impromptu swimming races in the Aegean. These moments cement family bonds in ways everyday life rarely can. Welcome to M.E.L Travelistas, the YouTube channel where busy moms learn how to plan unforgettable, stress-free trips to Greece, a true bucket list destination for the whole family. For the latest tips, tricks, and advice on family and multi-generational travel, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss a thing. When planning our Family Odyssey group trip, I wanted to go beyond typical sightseeing to create meaningful connections on three important levels. Connection to place. So experiencing Greece meaningfully means engaging with its culture, not just passing through. These experiences transform travelers from observers to participants, creating a sense of place that goes beyond tourist snapshots. Connection between families. Travel becomes more powerful when shared. Our group format allows families to build friendships across generations, create a supportive travel community, share different perspectives on experiences, expand children's social horizons, provide built-in playmates for kids and conversation partners for adults. Connection within your own family. Most importantly, Greece provides the perfect backdrop for strengthening your family's internal bonds through shared challenges that build teamwork. Unplug quality time away from everyday distractions. Novel experiences that reveal new sides of each family member. Conversations sparked by cultural differences, creating memories that become part of your family's shared story. While independent travel offers flexibility, our Family Odyssey group trip provides unique benefits that enhance the experience. Expert planning and local knowledge. Every detail is thoughtfully arranged, from accommodations that welcome families to restaurants that accommodate various dietary needs. Our local connections open doors to authentic experiences rarely found in guidebooks. Built-in community. Children find instant playmates while adults enjoy conversation with like-minded travelers. The shared experience creates natural bonding, often resulting in friendships that continue long after the trip ends. Seamless logistics. Transportation between destinations, activity arrangements, and navigating language barriers are all handled for you. This dramatically reduces travel stress, allowing parents to remain present rather than consumed by planning details. Enhanced learning. Our expert guides specialize in engaging children, making historical and cultural information accessible and exciting for all ages. Group activities are designed with various learning styles in mind. And peace of mind. From medical recommendations to contingency plans, group travel provides a safety net that's particularly valuable for families visiting Greece for the first time. Our October 2026 Family Odyssey Greek Connections trip is limited to just 10 families to ensure a personal experience. To join our waitlist and receive early notification when bookings open, visit the link in the description. Early waitlist members will receive priority booking access and special bonding activities before the trip. If you found value in this video, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to join our travel community. I share new family travel tips every week. Until the next video.